Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Where has India approved the installation of two new telescopes named NSLT and NLOT? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. When is National Technology Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option B, May 11th. National Women's Day 2026 was celebrated on which date? Right answer is option B, February 13th. Which country developed the world's first zero carbon emission direct coal fuel cell, also known as the coal battery? Correct answer is option C, China. What new name has been officially given to the Prime Minister's office? Right answer is option C, Seva Tirth. Which state secured the top position in the Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 with 943 front-runner panchayats? Correct answer is option C, Tripura. The Arctic Sentry mission was launched by which organization? Right answer is option A, NATO. Which Indian space mission has been honored with the prestigious Goddard Astronautics Award 2026 by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics? Right answer is option B, Chandrayaan 3. Which state government launched this Stri Suraksha Yojana? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Which state government launched India's first dedicated cabinet level artificial intelligence portfolio in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Hunting and trade of which endangered animal was recently banned by the Sanctum Naga community in Nagaland? Right answer is option B, pangolin. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the prestigious Agricola Medal, the highest honor of which United Nations agency in Rome, Italy? Correct answer is option B, Food and Agriculture Organization. Who launched Bodhan AI and the Bharat Edu AI stack in February 2026? Correct answer is option C, Dharmendra Pradhan. In which city was India's first AI and digitally powered Phygital Bank branch launched in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Guwahati, Assam. Who launched the AI based farmer platform Bharat Vistar in Jaipur to support farmers with technology? Correct answer is option B, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. India signed a memorandum of understanding with which country in May 2026 for ISRO's upcoming Venus orbiter mission? Right answer is option B, Sweden. Who launched the Sahi and Both initiatives during the India AI Summit? Right answer is option B, JP Nadda. Which country emerged as the table topper in the medal standings of the Asian Rifle Championship 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Where was the 39th African Union Summit 2026 held? Right answer is option C, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Rajya Sabha Committee on Petitions? Correct answer is option D, Raghav Chadha. Which state government has approved a 3% reservation for T tribes in state government jobs? Right answer is option C, Assam. On which date is World Hypertension Day observed every year? Right answer is option D, May 17th. In February 2026, the Indian Army conducted the Integrated Firepower and Maneuver Exercise Vajraghat at which location? Right answer is option A, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Where was the first CM Shri School launched as part of India's first AI driven comprehensive education model, inaugurated by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta? Right answer is option D, Sarojini Nagar. Who will be awarded the prestigious Chang Crandall Humanitarian Award 2026? Right answer is option D, both A and B, Dr. Arvind Haripriya and Dr. Rengaraj Venkatesh. In May 2026, the 41st annual joint military exercise Balikatan 2026 concluded between which two countries? Right answer is option C, United States and the Philippines. Which city in India hosted the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit to which country on May 16th to 17th, 2026, were the historic 11th century Anaimangalam Chola copper plates formally handed over to India? Correct answer is option A, Netherlands. India's first legged mobile manipulator, SCOP, was developed by which institution? Right answer is option C, IIT Kanpur. Who became the second footballer in the world after Cristiano Ronaldo to attain billionaire status in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Lionel Messi. The Public Investment Board approved 26,070 crore rupees for the Kamla hydroelectric project located in which state? Right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Who was named the new Chief Minister of Karnataka in May 2026? Right answer is option B, DK Shivkumar. In which city was the 15th Conference of the Parties to the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals held from March 23rd to 29th, 2026? Right answer is option B, Campo Grande, Brazil. In May 2026, which Indian scientist and their team discovered Loktak protocluster, an ancient city of galaxies in the early universe? Right answer is option D, Dr. Ronaldo Laishram. Which state became the 12th state in India to sign a memorandum of understanding for reforms under Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0? Correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. Which country has become the first Caribbean nation to adopt India's Unified Payments Interface? Correct answer is option D, Trinidad and Tobago. In April 2026, where did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the third edition of the Sansad Khel Mahakumbh? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow. India's first satellite tagged Ganges soft shell turtle was released in which national park? Right answer is option B, Kaziranga National Park. Which institution launched Annam.ai, India's first fully integrated agricultural intelligence ecosystem in April 2026? Right answer is option C, IIT Ropar. Which country has recently introduced its first humanoid robot monk named Gabby? Right answer is option C, South Korea. Which space agency successfully assembled the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope in April 2026? Right answer is option D, NASA. Where was India's first algae tree installed to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Right answer is option A, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Sri Guru Bhairavaikya Mandir in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Mandya, Karnataka. Which initiative was launched in May 2026 to promote nutrition rich farming and healthy food habits in India? Correct answer is option A, Sehat Mission. In April 2026, where was the Ninth Indian Ocean Conference 2026 held? Right answer is option C, Port Louis, Mauritius. Which spacecraft capsule will carry NASA astronauts on the Artemis 2 mission to the moon? Right answer is option C, Orion. Who received Breakthrough Prize 2026 in Physics? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Atanu Nath. Which city hosted the 21st session of the United Nations Forum on Forests in May 2026? Right answer is option D, New York, USA. Which country became the first Southeast Asian nation to ban social media use for children under the age of 16? Right answer is option C, Indonesia. In February 2026, Khijadia Wildlife Sanctuary was declared India's 98th Ramsar wetland. In which state is it located? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Who received the world's largest AI film award in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Zober Jalasi. The 17th Trilateral Coast Guard exercise Dosti 17 was conducted among India, Sri Lanka, and which other country? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. In May 2026, between India and which country was the second edition of the bilateral military exercise Sinbax 12 conducted? Right answer is option B, Cambodia. Where was the 56th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum held in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Davos, Switzerland. In May 2026, who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Right answer is option B, Rohit Jain. Who won the Men's Hockey India League 2026 title? Right answer is option C, Vedanta Kalinga Lancers. Where is India's first green methanol plant that processes waste into fuel being established? Right answer is option B, Deen Dayal Port, Gujarat. Sunita Williams retired in January 2026 after 27 years of service. How many total days did she spend in space? Correct answer is option B, 608 days. Which country won the Thomas Cup 2026 badminton title in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, China. Which Indian woman received the Whitley Award 2026 for conservation of endangered species? Correct answer is option D, Parveen Sheikh and Barkha Subba. Which became India's 18th railway zone in May 2026? Right answer is option A, South Coast Railway. Which Indian city will host the first International Big Cat Alliance Summit on June 1st to 2nd, 2026? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. On which date was World Migratory Bird Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option A, May 9th. In April 2026, who was elected as the new Prime Minister of Hungary? Correct answer is option A, Peter Magyar. On which date was World Red Cross Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, May 8th. Who authored the book The Bench, the Bar, and the Bazaar and The Lawful and the Awful, launched in May 2026 in New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Tushar Mehta. The SMILE mission, launched in May 2026 by the European Space Agency, is being carried out in collaboration with which country's space agency? Right answer is option C, CAS China. In May 2026, who took the oath of office as the new Chief Minister of Kerala? Correct answer is option B, VD Satisan. Who set a new national record of 10.09 seconds in the men's 100-meter race at the Federation Cup Athletics competition? Right answer is option A, Gurinder Veer Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Naval Staff of India in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. With which rocket was Galaxy's world's first Optosar satellite mission Drishti successfully launched in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Falcon 9. The 24th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2026 was conducted in May 2026 between India and which country? Right answer is option A, France. Which country won the Uber Cup 2026 badminton tournament title? Right answer is option C, South Korea. Which startup became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Skyroot Aerospace. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in 2026? Correct answer is option C, C. Joseph Vijay. Which state became the 15th state in India to be awarded the President's Police Colours in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Sikkim. Which chess player won the FIDE Women's Candidates Tournament 2026 in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Ratapani Tiger Reserve, renamed as Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Vakankar Tiger Reserve, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. In which year will ISRO launch the G20 satellite to study air pollution and monitor weather? Right answer is option D, 2027. Anantapur pomegranate received the geographical indication tag from which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. In June 2026, which state government announced an increase in the free rice quota from 5 kilograms to a total of 10 kilograms per month under the Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana? Right answer is option A, Odisha. Which athlete created history at the London Marathon by setting a world record and finishing the race in 1 hour 59 minutes and 30 seconds? Right answer is option C, Sebastian Save. Which Indian para athlete secured the gold medal in the men's high jump T63 event at the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2026? Right answer is option C, Shailesh Kumar. According to a recent report by Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, what is India's rank in global fish production? Right answer is option C, second rank. Which Indian player was inducted as a member of the Badminton World Federation Council in April 2026? Right answer is option D, PV Sindhu. When was the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana officially launched in India? Right answer is option B, 2015. In April 2026, where did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw inaugurate the bullet train manufacturing plant Aditya? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Who became the 92nd Grand Master of India? Right answer is option C, Aryan Varshney. Which mobile application was introduced by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment for the Beggary Free India initiative in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Smile Beggary Survey app. Who was elected as the new president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Right answer is option B, Sheikh Joan bin Hamad Al Thani. Which country sent three astronauts to its Tiangong space station aboard the Shenzhou 23 spacecraft in May 2026? Right answer is option A, China. On the eve of Republic Day 2026, President Draupadi Murmu approved gallantry awards for a total of how many armed forces personnel? Correct answer is option C, 70. Which Indian initiative was nominated for the WSIS Prizes 2026 under the Enabling Environment category? Correct answer is option A, Samrid Gram Initiative. Gulf Food 2026, in which India participated as the partner country, was held in which city? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Where was the foundation stone of India's first advanced 3D semiconductor packaging unit laid in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Which state partnered with the United Arab Emirates to develop India's first net zero greenfield smart city project? Right answer is option C, Telangana. Which Indian company appointed tennis star Carlos Alcaraz as its global brand ambassador in 2026? Right answer is option A, Infosys. In which city was Exercise Milan 2026 conducted? Right answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. The Sammakka Saralamma Medaram Jatra is held in which state? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Where was the second Pax Silica Summit held in June 2026, during which 35 countries, including India, signed a joint declaration on AI opportunities? Right answer is option D, Washington, D.C., USA. India's first quantum computing facility was scheduled to be launched in April 2026 in which city? Correct answer is option C, Amravati. Who is the author of the book titled All Time Favorite Friendship Stories, published by Penguin Random House? Correct answer is option B, Ruskin Bond. The Punjab government has announced the construction of North India's first glass bridge at which location? Right answer is option C, Nangal Roopnagar. Which state signed an MOU with the central government in May 2026 to implement the PM Shri School scheme? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which state became the first in India to launch the Marine Spatial Planning Framework in April 2026? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. Where is the multinational military exercise Pragati 2026 involving 13 countries being held in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Umroi, Meghalaya. Who has been appointed as the 48th Vice Chief of Naval Staff of the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Kochar. According to the Morgan Stanley report released in May 2026, what is India's global rank in installed renewable energy capacity? Right answer is option D, third rank. Where was the National Textiles Conference 2026 organized in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Guwahati. Ted Turner, who passed away at the age of 87 in May 2026, was the founder of which famous international news network? Right answer is option A, CNN. In which Indian city was the Raisina Science Diplomacy Initiative 2026 officially launched? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Who assumed office as the secretary in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Bharat Khera. Which organization released the 21st edition of the Global Risks Report 2026 in January 2026? Right answer is option C, World Economic Forum. Who won the IBSF World Billiards Championship 2026 title held in Carlow, Ireland? Right answer is option D, Saurav Kothari. Which birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was observed on 23rd January 2026? Right answer is option C, 129th birth anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 594-kilometer long Ganga Expressway. It connects which two cities? Right answer is option C, Meerut and Prayagraj. Which Manipuri film won the BAFTA Award for Best Children's and Family Film in 2026? Right answer is option D, Boong. Which Indian Navy ship participated in the fourth edition of the India Sri Lanka Diving Exercise 2026 conducted in April 2026? Correct answer is option B, INS Nirikshak. In which state did the Indian Army's Trishakti Corps launch Operation Him Setu to rescue tourists stranded due to landslides and snowfall in April 2026? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Which state or union territory became the first to partner with Bharat Taxi? Right answer is option A, Delhi. In which city was India's first Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Advocate Training and Research Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. The Lakpati Bitiya Yojana has been launched by which government? Correct answer is option B, Delhi government. Where was the Surajkund International Craft Fair 2026 organized? Right answer is option C, Faridabad, Haryana. Who authored the book titled Reclaiming Incredible? Correct answer is option A, Naveen Kundu. On which date was World Pulses Day celebrated in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 10th February. Which place has become India's first pearl farming center under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana? Correct answer is option B, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the highest honor of which country, the Royal Order of the Polar Star? Right answer is option B, Sweden. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Major General B.C. Khanduri, who passed away in May 2026, was the former Chief Minister of which state? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Which union minister launched the rupees 175 crore Coffees of Nagaland mission to promote the premium coffee sector in northeast India in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. How many medals did India win at the Asian Weightlifting Championships 2026 held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat? Right answer is option A, 10 medals. On which date is International Day for Biological Diversity observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, May 22nd. Which Indian Army officer has been selected for the prestigious 2025 UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year award? Right answer is option B, Major Abhilasha Barak. Which state government launched the Shram Mitra digital employment mobile app to connect laborers and employers across the state in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Under India's BRICS presidency, in which city will the BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting be held in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Indore. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Senegal in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Ahmadou Al Amino Lo. In May 2026, two female cheetahs, CCV2 and CCV3, were released into the open forests of Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. From which African country were they brought to India? Correct answer is option A, Botswana. Who has been sworn in as the second female president of Costa Rica in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Laura Fernandez. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit, the highest civilian honor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Norway. At which location did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first functional PM Mitra Park in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Warangal, Telangana. Which country signed an agreement with India in May 2026 to store up to 30 million barrels of crude oil in India's strategic petroleum reserve? Correct answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. In May 2026, which book based on 35 years of experiences and memories with PM Narendra Modi was unveiled by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan? Correct answer is option C, Apnapan. In May 2026, where did DRDO and the Indian Air Force successfully conduct the first flight test of the indigenous Tara Glide weapon system from a Jaguar aircraft? Right answer is option B, Chandipur Coast, Odisha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the massive lotus shaped Dhyan Mandir at which location in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Art of Living International Center, Bengaluru. Which country became the 27th member of the International Big Cat Alliance in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Bangladesh. According to the Global Innovation Index 2025, which country surpassed the United States in terms of investment in research and development to attain the top position in the world? Right answer is option C, China. When was World Thalassemia Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option A, May 8th. Who launched his debut book titled Better Never Stops in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Shyam Srinivasan. When was World Turtle Day celebrated in 2026? Correct answer is option C, May 23rd. When was World Athletics Day celebrated in 2026? Correct answer is option C, May 7th. In April 2026, from which country was international drug trafficker Mohammed Salim Dola extradited to India under Operation Global Hunt? Right answer is option C, Turkey. Which state government has launched the Kartavya Kams mobile application to record the daily attendance of teachers and non teaching staff in government schools? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. In April 2026, which country became the first in Europe to successfully operate an integrated lithium project covering both mining and refining? Correct answer is option C, Finland. Which state government has launched the Annapurna Bhandar scheme to provide financial assistance of rupees 3000 per month to women? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. Who launched the nationwide mobile based disaster communication system SASHE in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Jyotiraditya Scindia and Amit Shah. Where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurate the exhibition of sacred relics of Tathagata Buddha in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Leh Ladakh. Who authored the book titled The Book of Daily Brilliance 111 Days to Transformation, published by HarperCollins? Correct answer is option B, Pamela Pooja Kripalini. Where was the 11th Review Conference of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty 2026 held in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, New York, USA. In which country will the third India Nordic Summit be held in May 2026, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate? Correct answer is option C, Norway. Which Indian Railways institution inaugurated the Chirag Center of Excellence to strengthen human resource management training and digital governance? Correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. Which state government launched the Quarrel mobile app to strengthen disaster management? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as India's chef de mission for the 2026 Commonwealth Games to be held in Glasgow? Correct answer is option D, Rohit Rajpal. At which location were the 2026 Asian Beach Games held, where the Indian women's kabaddi team secured their sixth consecutive gold medal? Correct answer is option C, Sanya, China. In May 2026, the renowned mountaineer Kami Rita Sherpa, popularly known as the Everest Man, created a new world record by climbing Mount Everest for the 32nd time. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option A, Nepal. Who has been appointed as the new president of the National Company Law Tribunal by the central government in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Justice Anupinder Singh Grewal. The International Olympic Committee has lifted the restrictions imposed on athletes from which country ahead of the Los Angeles 2028 Summer Olympics? Correct answer is option D, Belarus. Which state government launched the eShram Sathi mobile app to strengthen the protection and empowerment of workers' rights? Correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Which ministry has launched the Janani platform to integrate antenatal and newborn care? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. According to the QS Global MBA Rankings 2026, which institute has secured the top spot in India? Right answer is option D, IIM Bangalore. How much amount was approved by the Union Cabinet in May 2026 for the Cotton Productivity Mission? Right answer is option B, rupees 5659.22 crore. Who recently took over as the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of India? Right answer is option C, KC Venugopal. Where did IIT Madras open its first international research center in May 2026? Right answer is option B, California, USA. Who became the Indian Air Force's first female Category A qualified flying instructor in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Squadron Leader Sanya. At which location is the 59th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank scheduled to be held in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Samarkand, Uzbekistan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Right answer is option B, Kota Ravi. From which city did the first Airbus C-295 military transport aircraft manufactured in India under the Make in India initiative complete its first successful test flight in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Vadodara, Gujarat. On which date is World Homeopathy Day 2026 observed? Correct answer is option C, April 10th. India is planning a rupees 40,000 crore deep sea gas pipeline project from which country to Gujarat to meet its growing energy demands? Right answer is option A, Oman. In April 2026, who was elected as the new president of Vietnam? Right answer is option C, Tu Lam. On which date is the International Day of Light observed in 2026? Correct answer is option B, May 16th. Who was appointed as the CEO of India's largest airline, Indigo? Right answer is option D, William Walsh. Which player won the men's singles title at the India Open Super 750 badminton tournament held in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Lin Chunyi. On which date was World Liver Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 19th April. In January 2026, which state declared human rabies a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897? Correct answer is option D, Delhi. Which Indian botanist received a WWF National Award for developing the neophyte ID mobile app to identify invasive plant species? Correct answer is option A, N. Alim Yusuf. Which state's police force secured the top position in the Interoperable Criminal Justice System 2.0 ranking? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who has been appointed as the Woman Chief Justice of the Andhra Pradesh High Court in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Justice Lisa Gill. Which country has been named the guest of honor at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026? Right answer is option D, Qatar. The approved 1200 megawatt Kalai 2 hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh is proposed on which river? Correct answer is option B, Lohit River. Which mobile application is being used to strengthen and digitize the tiger census process in the Annamalai Tiger Reserve? Right answer is option C, M Stripes app. Which country launched the world's first commercial 10G internet network using the U6 GHz spectrum in 2026? Right answer is option D, United Arab Emirates. Who was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for December 2025? Right answer is option D, Mitchell Stark. In which city did the Indian Army raise the 16th Bhairav Battalion in April 2026? Right answer is option A, Belagavi, Karnataka. Who has been named the Goodwill Ambassador for the Bajaj Pune Grand Tour? Correct answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who authored the book The Curious and the Classified Unearthing Military Myths and Mysteries, published by Rupa Publications? Right answer is option B, General Manoj Mukud Narwane. Which Indian has been nominated by the UN Secretary General to chair the Advisory Board on Disarmament Matters for 2026-27? Right answer is option C, TB Venkatesh Verma. On which date is World Malaria Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option D, April 25th. In which Indian state was the newly identified reed snake species Calamaria mizoramensis discovered in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. When is Samvidhan Hatya Divas observed to mark the 50th anniversary of the imposition of the national emergency in 1975? Correct answer is option C, June 25th. Who won the Best Male Athlete of the Year award at the inaugural Indian Athletics Awards ceremony held in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neeraj Chopra. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.